Hello friends and welcome to Pendulum IES. Today in What's in News, we'll be discussing Environmental Performance Index of 2020. In this session, we'll know why this Environmental Performance Index was in news, what is the rank of India, and we'll compare the rank of India with other countries, and also we'll know what are the environmental programs which India is currently running. So let's start the session. First of all, we'll know about what is Environmental Performance Index. So Yale University and Columbia University biannually releases the Environmental Performance Index in collaboration with World Economic Forum. For the first time, it was published in 2002. Before this, Yale and Columbia University used to publish the Environmental Sustainability Index from 1999 to 2005. And this year, the Environmental Performance Index has been released in 2020. Therefore, it was in news. This Environmental Performance Index, it used 32 performance indicators across 11 issue categories to rank 180 countries on environmental health and ecosystem vitality. Overall, EPI rankings indicate which countries are best addressing the environmental challenges that every nation faces. Now, let us know what are the various issue categories. So there are 11 issue categories and these are the subdivisions of ecosystem vitality and environmental health based on which the countries are ranked. So these 11 categories are ecosystem services, biodiversity and habitat, air quality, sanitation and drinking water, heavy metals, waste management, agriculture, pollution emissions, climate change, water resources and fisheries. You can see here there are total 32 performance indicators and 11 issue categories. The two major divisions are ecosystem vitality and environmental health based on which the countries are ranked. Total 180 countries are ranked in this index. Now let us see Environmental Performance Index 2020 has ranked which country on which position. So Denmark has topped the index with a score of 82.5, followed by Luxembourg with a score of 82.3, then Switzerland with a score of 81.5. UK and France ranked 4th and 5th in the index with a score of 81.3 and 80.0 respectively. Germany stands at the 10th position with 77.2 score. Now let us see the ranking of India. India has been ranked 168th out of 180 countries in the Environmental Performance Index 2020 with a score of just 27.6 out of 100. The scoring is done out of 100 and India received a score of only 27.6 and therefore it has been ranked at 168th position. If we talk about the ranking in the issue category, so environmental health overall ranking is 172, air quality 179, sanitation and drinking water 139, heavy metals 174 and waste management 103. So we can see that on these environmental health parameters, India has scored below the regional average score. As you can see, the ranking is above 100 and here it is 179, 139. Total 180 countries are there and in air quality India has ranked 179, so it is very poor performance. And India's rank was 177 in 2000. Now let us compare India's rank within the region of South Asia and also with other nations. So in South Asia except Afghanistan, all other countries are ahead of India in the ranking. As we can see, Bhutan ranks first in Southern Asia with a score of 39.3, followed by Sri Lanka 39, Maldives 35.6, Pakistan 33.1. This is the score. And Nepal with a score of 32.7, Bangladesh 29 and India's score is 27.6 and only Afghanistan is below India with a score of 25.5. India also ranks lowest among G20 countries and the 11 countries lagging behind India were Burundi, Haiti, Chad, Solomon Island, Madagascar, Guinea, Cote d'Ivoire, Sierra Leone, Afghanistan, Myanmar and Liberia. So here we can see that India's performance was not very much good in Environmental Performance Index 2020 and there is a need to focus on environmental sustainability and to focus on the programs which are currently run by government related to environment. We need to focus on those programs. We need to see that their effective implementation lead to some more improvement. Now let us see that what are the various programs run by Government of India. environmental conservation programs. So for climate change, it is a National Action Plan on Climate Change. Then to combat desertification, National Action Program to combat desertification. For air pollution, National Clean Air Program. For EI, Environmental Impact Assessment, Environmental Management Plan. Then for biodiversity, we can say National Afforestation Program is there. Then for animal conservation, Project Elephant, Project Tiger, Project Rhino. So different type of projects are there to conserve animals. So these are the various environmental conservation programs in India. So government need to focus on these programs and focus on their effective implementation so that the outcomes can be reflected in various indexes also. So friends, here we have covered an important topic of which was in news, that is Environmental Performance Index 2020. I hope you like this video. Like it, share it as much as you can. Also subscribe to our channel Pendulum IAS and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive notification. Keep preparing with us. Thank you so much.